Hello student, subject General Science, Standard 7th. Student, we studied our chapter number 12, that is the muscular and digestive system in human beings. In that, we studied the different kind of organs, their functions, and what happens when we contract and relax our muscles and hands, how they work. The digestive system in detail, the virtual video of digestive system, how the tobacco and other harmful substances can make damage internally to our body. We are seeing all these points in our last video lectures. Today we are going to solve an exercise of our chapter number 12, the muscular system and the digestive system in human beings. Let's start. Question number 1 is given to here. Fill in the blanks with the right word in the bracket. From the bracket we have to choose the right word. A. The process of digestion starts from the mouth. It will be correct answer. Eyelids have a dash muscle, that is a voluntary. They are not a involuntary. Production of a blood cells, that is not a function of the muscular system. The muscles of the heart are dash muscles. They are not ordinary, they are cardiac, they are the special muscles. Pushing forward the food that has been chewed in the function of the esophagus, not of the stomach. Question number 2. Find the match for me. Group A and Group B is given over here. You have to match the proper words from the A to B. A. Cardiac muscle. B. Are brought about my muscles. 3. Pepsin. 4. Cramp. 5. Skeletal muscles. Let's look up about the Group B. Always function in pair. We never feel tired. Uncontrolled and painful contraction of our muscles, chewing movement of a jaw, and enzymes in a gastric juices. Let's match up these. First, cardiac muscle. If cardiac muscles are well, we never feel tired. Second, are brought about the muscles. It's chewing movement of a jaw. Third, pepsin, that is the name of enzymes which is present in the stomach and secretes the gastric juices helping the digestion of the food. Cramp, that is uncontrolled and painful contraction of our muscles. Last, this one, the Group A, skeletal muscles. It means always function in pairs. Question 3 is given here. Who is telling a lie? Who is lying? Which sentence is a wrong? Which sentence is a false? Some organs are given over here like a tongue, liver, large intestine, appendix and lungs. These 5 organs are given. Let's see about the functions or the statement given in front of the name. My taste bud can tell only a sweet taste. Isn't it? Is it right? Is it right or wrong? Let's see. I am a largest gland in the body, liver says. What large intestine says? I am a 7.5 meter long. Appendix says digestion is impossible without me. While lung says it play important role in excretion. Tongue is a wrong answer. Second, liver and the largest gland in the body. It's a right answer. Third, large intestine, it's not a 7.5 meter, it's a 6 meter long. You may know about this. Appendix doesn't play any role in the digestion. It is present in our near to our intestine. Last, lungs, it is correct, they plays the important role. Question number 4, give reasons. Food becomes acidic in the stomach. Answer. In our stomach, hydrochloric acid is secreted from the gastric glands, and that because the food makes acidic. Second, cardiac muscle are said to be involuntary muscles. Answer: cardiac muscles are said to be involuntary muscles because they working not in our control. Involuntary function of our body, which is totally controlled by our brain without knowing by the involuntary muscles. Third is here: intoxicating substances should we not consume because they slowly affect our body, our health. It causes the nausea, vomiting, headache, and so many other problems also. Slowly our body parts get affected and they do not work, and this may lead to death. Also, due to consumption of such intoxicating substances, our social image as well as our family relationship also can be get affected. So, we should avoid such intoxicating substances intake. Fourth, your muscles should be strong and efficient. Why our muscles should be strong? Working with your hand, walking, eating, etc. are carried out by the voluntary muscles. Also, various processes like breathing, blood circulation, digestion are carried out by the involuntary muscles. Thus, muscles involve the activities of our body. If we are strong enough, we cannot do work properly. If we are not strong enough, so our muscles should be strong, then we having efficient to work anything. Question 5. Answer the following. A. How many types of muscles are there? Which are those types? There are some types of three types of muscles. First is a skeletal muscles. The two ends of each of the muscles are attached to two different bones. Examples: such muscles are muscles of our arms and legs. Their movements are voluntary. They are also responsible for holding the bones and our skeletal system too. The second type of muscles is ahead. Let's see. We have to describe all the three types of muscles. Second is a heart or cardiac muscles. These muscles bring out the concentration and relaxation of the heart. Their movement is involuntary. Cardiac muscles causes the heart to relax, contract continuously at the rate about 70 times per minute. Third one, smooth muscles. Some muscles are present in internal organs other than our heart. For example, muscles of our stomach, intestine, etc. And their movement are also involuntary. We cannot control such a movement of their muscles. B. What causes the problem of acidity? What is the effect on the body? It is caused by the stomach acidic, that is HCl, hydrochloric acid, secreted by the gastric gland, and it causes the headache, heartburns, and etc. C. Name the different types of teeth. What is the function of such a type of teeth? Incisors, they help in biting. Canines, they are the sharp teeth and used for the ripening and tearing the food part. Premolar are they are used for chewing or grinding the food, just to mixing up with the small molecules. Molar are the primary molars, are used for chewing, for grinding food, and they are appear between 12 to 15 ages. Third molar, that is commonly known as a wisdom teeth. Question 6 is given here. You have to write your own question 6. Describe, sketch and label the diagram of a digestive system and describe it in your own word. It is given in detail on your textbook number 85. So student, you have to write all the question answer in your notebook with proper date. By head all this. Thank you.